to build muscle, getting enough protein. O, siya na po. Coach, yan, nandyan na po siya. Coach Cheng, good morning.
Hello po. Thank you, Coach Jessie. Ayan, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. So, before I show my slide po, I would like to... Ay, yan. Thank you. Ayun. So, ayan po. Ako po ulit si Cheng Gilyarte. So, magandang umaga po sa lahat ng nandito sa Zoom at sa mga nasa FB Live. And I've been using the products po for 12 years now as my healthy breakfast, nutrition partner, as my sports nutrition sa aking pong um, pregnancy, so prenatal supplements for my two pregnancies with the approval of my OB. And of course, up until now, not that I am breastfeeding. So with that po, I have lost a total of 60 pounds and counting. My favorite products po, all of the products from tablets, powders, and supplements. So to name a few, vitamins and minerals, Extra Cal, Herbalife line, Rebuild, Nightworks, Mineral Herbal Complex, ayan. So talagang lahat po talaga I take from powders to supplements. So before Herbalife po, I used to have unhealthy lifestyle, very irritable, mabilis pong mainis, um, poor eating habits, stressful eating habits, of course. I'm a former teacher po, so with my work po, I don't like my lifestyle because I have very low energy, stress, so hindi lang po sa traffic but also with the work. And of course, yung feeling heavy. And I am so blessed and grateful that I have found a solution at Herbalife because of the proper nutrition, healthy active lifestyle, the balanced lifestyle that I have developed, pati din po yung proper eating habits. And of course, the community support na meron po ngayon na tulad ng ating virtual nutrition club. So, so because of that, I feel more energetic, and of course, I gain more confidence, and I feel lighter, happier, healthier. Ayan. And of course, I know that the future is brighter for me because of this Herbalife. Um, that's why I'm so excited to age gracefully and be stronger, not for just for myself, but for my family as well. Ayan, so thank you so much. And let's now go to our topic, how to build muscle effectively, and what is the role of protein diet and exercise. So this article po is from Susan Bowerman, our senior director and worldwide nutrition education and training, and we can find this article po sa herbalife.com. So I have a question for you po. Ano bang kailangan natin para makabuild tayo ng muscle? So, pwede nyo po diyang i-type sa chat box. So, ano ba ang ating kailangan for us to build muscle? Okay, so thank you po sa sasagot sa chat box. And, of course, marami pong magsasagot, or if we ask most people, thank you, Jean Lansang. Yes, protein. Um, Yan po ang madalas na sagot. We need protein, of course. But, yes, protein is important. And, of course, our muscles are made up of protein. But, protein can't do it alone. We need to pay attention sa ating diet and exercise routine. Okay? So, not just protein, but we need to pay attention from our diet and exercise. So this one, why it takes more than just protein to build muscle? So bakit hindi lang protein? Of course, yung mga nagba-bulk up po na mga bodybuilders, ayan, and they also want to lose body fat at the same time, they will take, of course, a lot of protein Plus, they will include the strength training routine para um, for more lean muscle mass. And of course, ang target nga nila is to gain more muscles and to lose the body fat. So, may target din sila na mag-shred ang tawag, shred, 'di ba? So, pwedeng maging problem 'yon that cutting calories too much and some of the protein na kakainin ay mababurn for fuel rather than being used to support muscle development. Okay? So meron siyang advantage and disadvantage. So now, next slide po. Ayan. So how can we effectively build muscle mass? So we need enough calories to support your activity and the right balance of nutrients. Again, enough calories and the right balance of nutrients. So let's go to the next one to know the things how we can build this muscle for our body. So number one po, fuel up with carbohydrates. So maraming bodybuilders po, nakikita nila yung carbohydrates as enemy. So yun po ay isang malaking mistake. And of course, yung mga highly refined carbs like mga sweets, um, yun po yung mga we need to avoid. But they have we have also yung right carbs that can help to fuel yung ating activity, including ang ating mga working muscles. So andyan po yung good sources ng ating carbs, whole grains, beans, fruits, and of course vegetables. So kapag wala tayong adequate carbohydrates to fuel our exercise, yung mga protein na meron sa ating katawan na ating nakain might be burned for fuel. Kaya kailangan natin ng high quality carbs para magamit natin siya for the right kung anong kailangan ng muscle natin. Hindi siya for burning, for fuel. Okay, number two is to get some healthy fats. Okay? So, minsan, na-underappreciated natin yung dietary fat. Like yung carbs, meron silang bad reputation, meron ding nag-underappreciated din yung some people sa dietary fat. Okay. And of course, small amounts of the right kinds of fats are very important. So we also need these small amounts of right kinds of fats because merong mga certain fatty acids na it's a building blocks of dietary fats na kailangan and very essential sa ating katawan at hindi ito napoproduce ng ating katawan. Okay? And of course, yung fatty acids are vital also. It's a structural component na kailangan ng bawat cell membrane sa ating katawan, including yung muscle cells. So we really need to have these healthy fats. Ayan. And saan natin makukuha yung healthy fats? Sa nuts, seeds, avocado, fatty fish, olive oil. Ayan. And of course, the body relies on fat to fuel moderate intensity or long-term exercise. So, tandaan niyo po yun kapag nagmo-moderate intensity or longer-term exercise po tayo, nagre-rely po yung body natin sa fat. That's just the type of exercise na pinapartneran po siya ng strength training para makabuild ng muscle and makalose ng body fat. Okay? So that's number two. Number three, protein intake and timing are key. So, of course, yung protein is very crucial po for muscle development, but instead of mag-focus tayo sa amount ng protein na iti-take natin, kailangan din natin mag-pay attention sa timing ng intake. Wow, merong timing, o, 'di ba? So, merong tinatawag na muscle protein synthesis. So, nasi-stimulate 'yan when we do strength training activity and of course, when we eat protein. Okay? So, medyo malalim po yung muscle protein synthesis, but um, it is being explained lang when we do strength training and protein. And of course, yung plant-based and animal-based protein sources na po-provide siya para sa building blocks nung muscle protein synthesis. So of course, yung pagkuha natin ng mga iba't ibang sources ng protein, it can help yung prolong release ng amino acids sa system ng ating katawan. So, for example, we can get this in dairy products. So, yung dairy products po, meron po siyang dalawang proteins, which is the whey and casein. So, yung whey po, ito po yung tinatawag na fast-acting protein. Yun po yung whey. While yung casein po, yun po yung it takes longer para ma-process ng ating katawan. So, nandun yung, kumbaga yung longer resistance mo, okay, when you have this casein. All right? So now, let's go to the diet and nutrition tips for building muscle. So, number one po is, of course, this is some of the questions, frequently asked questions. How to spread your protein intake and how often should you eat? So, paano mo siya isi-spread? Of course, we aim for the 3 regular meals and a couple of snacks. So, for us po, meron po tayo mga meal guide. We can follow that if you are just starting on your program. And make sure that they are balanced with carbohydrates and protein para po yung body natin ay merong fuel na kailangan natin sa carbs and a steady supply sa protein para ma-stimulate yung muscle protein synthesis. And number two po, what to eat before a workout. So ano bang kailangan kong kainin? And kailangan natin of course maging well-hydrated and well-fueled before our workout. So yung length ng oras between ng pagkain natin ng meal and yung oras ng pag-workout, yun ang magdidictate ng type of meal na iti-take natin. So for fluids, um, we take 2 cups of water 2 to 3 hours beforehand. Okay? And of course, 15 to 20 minutes before the workout, we take another cup. That's for fluids. How about for the food? If meron ka pang oras na na pwede mo pang ma-digest yung kakainin mo, you can eat a regular breakfast. What is a regular breakfast? It might include the foods like eggs, yogurt, yung mga whole grain toast, whole grain cereals. Take note, whole grain, okay? And of course, ayan, mga milk, soy milk, and fruit. And kapag malapit naman na yung workout mo, there's no time na talagang wala nang time to digest ang iyong um, digest digestive system. Of course, just be sure to take something like protein shake, okay? Kasi yun yung less time na may digest ng ating katawan. And of course, yung shake natin, not just meron siyang carbohydrates, but of course, may protein. So we can get these carbohydrates sa foods like fruits and vegetables, like yung mga carrots, sweet potato, or you can add on sa iyong shake yung rolled oats. Okay? Take note, rolled oats. Alright? So number 3, nutrition tip. So ano ba ang kailangan kong kainin after kong mag-workout? So take note, after you exercise, your muscles need some healthy carbohydrates, and about 10 to 20 grams of high quality protein to help them repair and recover. Okay, so take note nyo po yan. So, saan ba natin pwedeng makuha ang mga high quality protein? Of course, we can get it sa yogurt, turkey, a nut butter sandwich, smoothie na merong with fruit and soy milk or milk, a bowl of cereal and fruit. So these are all good recovery foods after a session of a strength training. All right? So number 4 po is ano ba ang good snacks in between meals? Again, it should include same healthy balance of protein and carbohydrates like yung snack bars, hard-boiled egg, na merong whole grain crackers. Again, whole grain crackers, okay? So talagang dinidiin ko yung whole grain, okay? So some yogurt or cottage cheese with fruit. Wow. And raw vegetables and hummus. Okay? Ayan. So, yan ang mga good snacks. Di ba? So, number 5, we have this, paano ko ba i-gain yung muscle ko na hindi ako nag-gain ng fat, okay? So, gusto ko yung naglo-lose ako ng fat, 'di ba? So, in order to build muscle, yung katawan natin kailangan ng additional nutrients and calories. But it doesn't give us the license to eat as much as we want. So, if we take in more calories, than we burn, of course, kahit sa ang galing pang food yan, sa unhealthy, sa fatty, sa sugary foods, or kahit pa healthy and well-balanced diet. So, those excess calories will be just get stored as body fat. Okay, I hope you get that and you remember that po. So, we, of course, choose the lean proteins such as fish, poultry, low-fat dairy products, beans, and tofu. And, of course, healthy carbohydrates from fruits, vegetables, whole grains, over sugars, and refined starches. Ayan. So, now, I would like to highlight po, next slide po, ang ating total wellness formula, which is the 80% nutrition and 20% exercise. So, we need to balance this para po tayo ay makakuha ng 100% results. Ayan. And we also have this next slide, the Global Nutrition Philosophy. Ito po yung kailangan ng ating katawan. Pwede nyo po yan i-screenshot. Hindi lang po um, carbs ang ating kailangan. Ayan po, meron din pong rest, hydration, exercise. So take note po yung ating global nutrition philosophy. And of course, where can we get these healthy fats, healthy carbohydrates, and protein? With our products that can cater to all of our needs. Mapa-weight management pa yan, gut health, heart health, healthy aging, skin health, di ba? So to highlight, you can get the whey and casein from our Rebuild Strength, carbohydrates from our Formula One shake, of course, fats from Herbalife line. Ayan, so, and of course, yung ating overall products, that inner and outer nutrition. So with that, thank you po. And Herbalife is the number one in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined in weight management and well-being and active and lifestyle nutrition. So let's grow Herbalife and have a great day po. Thank you po.
Wow, ang ganda na